Hi, my name is Vesna and I will show you how to make this beautiful wire beaded tree. Take one wire and one bead and thread the bead onto the wire. Fold the wire, bring the bead to the middle of the wire and then separate wires, put your finger in between, come close to the bead and then twist the bead and keep twisting the bead until you have the maximum of 2 centimeters of the twisted wire. When you start working with the smallest beads, thread 3 beads on one wire and basically repeat the same process. So 3 beads here and bring them to the middle, fold the wire and again the same, keep the two wires separately and then put your finger in between and twist the 3 beads at the same time. And again, the twisted part of the wire shouldn't be longer than 2 centimeters. And keep threading beads onto the wires until you have done all 40. Now select any two of the beaded wires, put one across each other and again holding your finger in between the wires at the spot where you cross them, keep twisting. Again, the twisted part of wire should be approximately 2 centimeters. Once you finish twisting one and one, you will have 20 sets of 2. Select any of finished wires of 2 and again cross them over and keeping the wires separate, twist the wires where you crossed them together and again keep the twist approximately 2 centimeters long. I have already pre-done mine and now we have 10 sets of 4. Now take any 2 sets of 4 and repeat again the same. Cross them over like this and hold where you cross them. Put your finger in between the wires and keep twisting and again the same. And now you have one set here of 8 and I have already pre-done all the rest of them, so now there are 5 sets of 8. Select any two sets of 8 and repeat the same technique, cross them over, and again holding the wires separate with your finger, twist these two sets together. Now keep twisting a little bit longer. We are now closing down on finishing the tree. So approximately 3 to 4 centimeters of twisted wire here. And I have already twisted halfway these two together. So we have 2 sets of 16 and 1 set of 8. And then just take 2 sets of 16 and again twist them together the same way you did before, like this, and leave approximately 10 centimeters for the roots. And then, because we only have 1 set of 8 left, just add a little bit lower. So we are making the tree a little bit lower, like this here, and again twist everything together. We are coming close to finishing the tree. It looks like this at this stage. So in the next step we will be working on roots. I first show you a tree that I have already finished with the roots. I hope you can see what it looks like. So when you put it down, it can stand by itself. So let's do it for this tree. I just show you how to start. Select 2, 3 or 4 wires next to each other and twist them together 2-3 times. So that's what it looks like. And then just continue all the way around, another 3 or 4, twist them together, and I hope you can see what it looks like. So 1 or 2 are finished. So just continue all the way around until you have twisted all the root wires. Our beautiful wire beaded tree is all finished. Well done. Thank you for watching.